Good morning. It is 5:49 a.m., August 1st, 2025, and this is the first of a series of demos of executive dashboards focused on the S&P 500 index. I'm Jonas Rugies, GIS Program Advisor at Campus GIS Operations Company, and my background is GIS, worked at Esri for 8 years, spent a lot of that time configuring core ArcGIS technology like operations dashboards. And that's what our focus is in today's demonstration. We're going to look at two operations dashboards focused on the S&P 500 index. So the first is our S&P 500 sector dashboard. These 500 companies are symbolized by their headquarters location, and the size of the symbol is determined by their market capitalization. So we can see that the tech giants of the West Coast really dominate in terms of market cap right now. And if we zoom into a particular area of interest, like the Bay Area, we can see most of the tech giants here: NVIDIA, Apple, Alphabet, and Meta. So keep an eye on Meta, $1.7 trillion market cap, because in our next dashboard, we're looking at the daily change of the stock price. So here the symbol is red if the daily change is a loss, green if there's a gain day over day. And on the left and right hand sides, you see the lists with the actual dollar amount of that share price change. So today's August 1st, we're looking at yesterday's updates. So I said keep an eye on Meta because even though they have that insanely high valuation, after their earnings yesterday, the percent change in that stock is up 11%. One other thing that caught my eye here is Xylem. This is a company that I worked with at Esri. Didn't even know they were on the S&P 500, but apparently they just had an earnings call and their stock is up 10% as well. So that's something for me to look into after this video. So the plan for these videos, if you thought that was quick, it's on purpose. I'm going to do 20 more of these. Each one's going to be focused on a particular industry. Next week, utilities. Following week, energy. Then industrials. And we'll wrap up the month with a look at the IT giants, AI investments, and impacts on our own GIS, geospatial industry. So why am I doing this? Because I want to demonstrate the power of these configurations kind of in a generic manner, and then talk to you, the customer, about what you and your leadership care about. What do you want to see in your executive dashboard? Because you need your leadership engaged, and you need technical talent either in-house or provided by a company like ours. So if you like content like this, you found the YouTube channel already, follow me on LinkedIn, check out the website, and I'll see you again on Monday. Thanks for your time.